Hello, sir. I am Sanijan V. Odron, a B Smart student, a six from Section 3 Charlie, and I am from Brongan City, Eastern Samar. I am a 21 years old student, and I'll be answering the question that you have given us. I believe same-sex marriage should not be permitted in the Philippines, especially if the main reason is only to show empathy towards the LGBTQ community. While empathy is a very important emotion, it should not be the only basis for making a major decision or major decisions. Marriage is not just a personal matter, it is shaped by culture, religion, and long-standing values in our society, especially since Philippines is a very religious country. In the Philippines, many people view marriage as a union between a man and a woman, influenced by tradition and religious belief. And because of this, changing its definition is a complex issue that affects the whole society entirely and requires careful thinking. So, this could affect how our tradition goes. This is where toxic empathy comes in. Toxic empathy happens when people support something mainly because of their emotions and without fully thinking about the bigger impact. For example, let's say a lawmaker supports same-sex marriage just out of sympathy without studying its wider effects and what could be the triggers, what could it trigger on our society. Empathy is important. Why? Because empathy is important, but it should be balanced with critical thinking. We can still support the LGBT community by promoting respect, equality, and protection from discrimination without changing the definition of marriage. And that will be all for my answer. Thank you.